This time I choose a jasmine green tea, add strawberries, kiwi fruit, and lemon to make a fruit tea with a good flavor, and learn it quickly. Tea making steps: 20 gram of green tea, 800 milliliter of 75-degree hot water, steep for 7 minutes. Strain the tea leaves and add 400 gram of ice cubes. Production steps: 60 gram of strawberries, 50 gram of kiwi fruit, 25 gram of white sugar, 400 milliliter of green tea soup. Bring to a boil, then reduce heat to simmer for 2 minutes. Add 1 slice lemon. Easy done. See you next time. Bye.